What is up, guys? Do you like to free up some horsepower? Yeah. Do you have a squeaky belt or a winding bearing? If you do, watch this video because this will make your car feel so much better.
You need to do a idler pulley delete. It's kind of like a mod as well as a maintenance, right? So let me show you guys my belt. You guys can see there are some cracks on there, and that belt it's gone. It's done. That belt needs replacing, and this is your idler pulley. So basically, by deleting this idler pulley, you are removing a potential failing bearing, right? And also you can run a smaller belt, which less rotational mass, less weight, and this is a pretty well-known mod. So all you need for this is a little spacer and a new belt. I'm gonna show you guys what you need. So these two are all you need. First thing first is this little spacer, and you can buy it from anywhere from Nissan. I think I spent $2 on this spacer. It's literally replacing the idler pulley where the piece right there, it's connected with your power steering pump. So it's just making up for that space. And then second thing you need is this belt. So you need a shorter belt, which is a 6PK 1145. I've seen people running 1148, which is slightly longer. Doesn't really matter either way, because you can adjust the tensioner to tighten and loosen the belt. So these two are the only thing you need. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys how to actually do this mod properly. So first thing first is to loosen these 4 bolts on there, because once the tension on the belt it's not there, it will be quite hard to crack them loose. So loosen those 4 bolts, and then get underneath the car and then loosen the tensioner pulley, which is that one. So right here, that is your tensioner pulley. That is a 14mm, so you want to loosen that first. And then the 12mm adjusting bolt is right at the bottom. Busted my finger trying to. So now after the belt is removed, all you need to do is just 3 bolts. So 1 bolt right here and 2 right here. I believe they are 18mm. If you guys can see all these cracking right here, that is showing how bad this old belt is, and it needs to be replaced. So this is the 40mm for the power steering, and now pretty much those 2 bolts are removed, and all I need is to remove these 4 so I can take off the wheel, and then this bolt will be able to slide out. Alright, now with those 4 removed, the pulley is out, and now that bolt can just come out like that, and then this whole idler pulley should be able to just slide out like so. And now basically you just want to slide this spacer back in your power steering pulley like that, and then slide those 3 bolts back in there and torque them down. Alright, now everything is torqued down. So that 14mm, that is 45 foot-pounds, and these 217 are 55. And then if you want to go to a cheap route, you can just cut the bracket off to save you $2 instead of buying a spacer. But anyway, now you need to put on your new belt, which is simple. You just route your belt through this crank pulley, and then up through the tensioner, and down through the alternator, and then up here power steering, and then back. I'll put a picture on the screen to show you guys how it's routed. Alright, so now everything is torqued down. torqued that one down to 25, and then I just double checked that one's 25 as well, 25 foot-pounds. Oh, and also forgot to mention with the belt, the AC belt, the maximum deflection you can have, I think, is 12 millimeter. I think this belt is 6 millimeter, so you've got to adjust it pretty tight. And yeah, hopefully no more squeaky belt, no more pairing whining. Now I'm gonna start up the car. So this is after a few days of driving. What I have noticed is the car definitely has a little bit more horsepower, I'd say. It's kind of like the car is revving up a little bit faster because less rotational mass, or maybe it could be just me, you know, because I've done this mod. Overall, you're not losing for what, $20, and then you're done to replace your old belt and then remove a potential failing bearing. And also this will fit all the G35 DE, including the DE rev up from the 2005 up 350Z. This won't work on your HR engine, so DE only. So yeah, pretty much that's it for this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, check out my last couple of videos. So yeah, without further ado, that'll be it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.